Hello, Miss Squires and Miss Holly's parents. I wanted to send a quick video just explaining what homework is going to look like now. So homework will have something that we've done in the last month for one front and back page, and then something that we've done in the past or something that would really be helpful for your students. It's less work, but I really want to encourage you to do it with them, and please ask questions if you have it. So the first one is multiplying fractions by a whole number. So the first part of the homework right here, it just explains how they can solve it. And it helps y'all understand what we're doing in the classroom. So numbers 1 through 6. Now, they will get a mixed, or they will get an improper fraction, and I want you to change that to a mixed number. And it shows you up here how to do this. Now, one thing reason why I wanted to tell you, we have not gone over how to simplify fractions. It is not a fourth grade standard, but I am going to teach it this week through their homework. So do not simplify it. You do not have to worry about it. Yes, you could do it with them. That's perfectly fine. It's the exact same way we did it with division, but I wanted to do a mini lesson on that, and we haven't done that yet. So if your kid says, what does simplify mean? And you're like, hasn't Miss Holly taught you that? No, she has not. And that's what we're doing this week. Now, on the back, I wanted to explain this. A lot of my students had questions about this when they got to this. So it says 5 times 7/10. So what that means is 7/10 5 times. So what you do is you are going to do 5 times 7/10. Sorry. So what you want to think about is, I want to think about 7/10 5 times. So I'm doing 7/10 plus 7/10 plus 7/10 plus 7/10 plus 7/10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, when I'm doing this, I do not add the denominator, and I'm looking, 7 5 times. So that is 35. Now, I'm not going to leave it like an improper fraction. I want to make it into a mixed number. Sorry about my video, it lags. So what I want to think about is, how many whole amounts do I have in 35 tenths? So I have 1. So I'm at 20 tenths, 30 tenths, and then I have 5 tenths left over. Or a lot of times I have them draw out a model. So do you see I have 1, 2, 3 wholes and 5 tenths? Okay, so the product lies between. So what it's talking about here, it's talking about a number line. So 3 and 5 tenths, or 3 and 1/2, will lie between 3 and 4 on a number line. So you're just saying what it's between. I hope this is helpful, and I hope you like this new format. Oh, also, this is the second sheet, and it has to do with multi-step. So this is very, very difficult for students, and you'll want to go through this with pictures and take your time. This whole front sheet is just showing what you do, how you break it apart, and then all it has is 6 problems on the back. So I really wanted to just start giving less amount, but more about what students struggle with. So you'll see that as you go on. And if your student struggles with that, just get alongside them. And I'm going to start sending out little tips about the homework. And I hope that helps y'all in the last couple months to feel a little more prepared to help them with their homework and not scared you're going to teach them the wrong way or anything like that. Please let me know if you have any other questions, and happy homeworking this week. We appreciate all y'all do with your kiddos.